Oh yeah, right. Uchio. Uchio maber. I hope Uchio maber. Nyinga en herring aching umbija. It's been a while. Koro aduogo puonjo u dholuo kendo. Kendo ageno ni isebedo kinuoyo weche mana puonjou. My name is Herring Acheng Ombija and I'm back with my Luo lessons 101. I hope that you've been practicing all the Luo that we learned last time from our last lessons, because repetition is key if you want to learn a language, and what is even more important is trying to use the words in your everyday life. Koro oyaore. Kawuono, today, adwaro mondo apuonju weche moko matindo tindo. Ne wasepuonjore nyinga and my name is. Koro wadwa puonjore asomo. Isomo kanye? Where do you go to school? Isomo. Somo is learning. Isomo kanye? Where do you go to school? Then your response would be asomo, let's say area, or asomo Nairobi University. Isomo mango. What do you study? Asomo medicine. Asomo udaktari. Or asomo puonjo. So those are some of the words. Then you say idi school sadi. When do you go to school? Japuonju nyingenga. Japuonj is a teacher. So japuonju nyingenga. Then your response will be japuonjwa nyinge. Japuonjwa nyinge. My teacher's name is Otieno, for example, or Achieng. Like I am Achieng, so my teacher's name is Achieng. Kendo ahero somo. I love reading. Ahero buge. I love books. Ahero means I love. Hero is to love. So you can say ahero Otieno. I love Otieno. Ahero Achieng. I love Achieng. Ahero Dholuo. I love Luo. And then what other things would you, what other common phrases do you use in school? Idi kanye, where are you going? Idi library. Idi somo. Are you going to the library? Are you going to learn? Osiep ni nyingenga. Osiep is a friend. What is your friend's name? Osiep na. Osiep ni is yo. Talking about the other person. But when you want to talk about me, you always use a. So you say osiep na nyinge. Bu nyinge Achieng. I love the Achieng name because I'm Achieng, so never mind the use of Achieng to repeatedly come in these conversations on this channel. What else can you say about school? Ahero somo. Idak kanye. Where do you stay? Adake hostel. I live in hostel A or B. Adak gi. Idak ginga. Who do you live with? Adak gi mamawa. Adak gi babawa. I live with my mom. I live with my dad. Adak gi dawa. Dani in Luo is grandma. So that's what we call your grandma, Dani. If you live with your grandma. Adak gi kwarwa. Kwara is grandpa in Luo. So what other phrases do you use in school? Ichimo kanye. Where do you eat? Please don't fight. I'm watching over the kids. Don't worry about that. So ichimo kanye. Achimo Caves. Achimo Java. Achimo Hilton. Achimo Sankara. So it depends on where you're gonna eat. So you can say Adi, I'm going to. Adi Chiemo MS. Adi Chiemo Edom. Adi Chiemo Gosiepna with my friend. So that's all for today, and we'll catch you next time and continue with our lessons. This time hopefully there'll be back-to-back lessons and we'll not take a long break like we did last time. I've just been so busy, so held up, but I'm back. So here we are. Nyinga and Herring Acheng Ombija Wanere. My name is Herring Acheng Ombija, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to practice the phrases and sentences that you've learned today. See you next time. Bye.